So where you go to get 28s put on your car when they say you can't do it?
Right here, 441 coast to coast. All day, every day.
For this car alone.
I like six, about six.
On this car alone.
From 24,
Yeah.
and then 26s, now I'm 28.
Forgiatos.
Hello. What? I'm about to upgrade again in a minute.
I'm gonna watch out. Got a motor coming in here soon?
Yes, sir.
Great scene.
Tell me about these 28s.
Shit, I still be hitting them. I mean, they got good. I end up changing the,
Yeah, put the spikes on there.
put the spikes on there.
Me.
Yep.
Super me coming out, man.
How many of these
Best.
cars are riding 28s?
I don't know, not that many. 26s is the most. Because some people still doing payments on their car. I own this, so.